A very warm welcome to all our friends from the media, our customers, channel partners, and my colleagues from Tata Motors. This is a momentous day for all of us as we get together to add yet another feather to the cap of India's best-selling EV, the Tata Nexon EV. The future of personal mobility is electric. This has been our sincere and consistent belief at Tata Passenger Electric Mobility. We started our EV journey by winning the prestigious EESL tender for supplying EVs to government usage back in September 2017. In January 2020, we made our foray into the personal segment with the launch of the Nexon EV. Till date, we have more than 25,000 EVs plying on Indian roads, out of which over 19,000 are Nexon EVs. Interestingly, just in the last 3 months, we have sold over 9,000 EVs. Nexon EV customers have collectively driven 100 million kilometers. That's approximately 2,500 trips around the earth. It has also contributed to saving over 15,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions, which again is comparable to planting close to 250,000 trees. This has been made possible due to our focused approach on developing the EV infrastructure across India. From a modest beginning of having presence in 20 cities and 60 touch points, today we are present in 75 cities with over 210 touch points. We have a clear roadmap of adding another 70 cities this year. If we were to talk about the charging infrastructure, our partnership with Tata Power has helped us expand the fast charger network from 50 chargers in just 5 cities to about 1,300 charging stations spread across more than 200 cities, covering the prominent cities as well as intercity roads across India. Additionally, our unique approach to leverage the synergies of the Tata Group companies to provide EV solutions has led us to develop the holistic electric vehicle ecosystem that we call as the Tata Universe. Our strong base of EV customers and communities across the country have given us valuable insights into EV usage. 79% of EV owners use the Nexon EV as their primary vehicle in their household. Over 85% of Nexon EV owners self-drive the Nexon EV. 67% of EV owners have an average daily running of 50 to 100 kilometers. Over 85% of EV owners undertake frequent intercity travel, and over 95% of usage of EVs is powered just by home charging. These data points reinforce that the Nexon EV is perfectly serving the need of intra-city travel, and with suitable trip planning, many of our EV customers are successfully undertaking intercity trips. However, the Indian customer is fast evolving, and we are witnessing a key trend of increasing number of Indians undertaking long distance travel, either for leisure or for work. Customers are also looking for additional features which make these journeys even more comfortable, safe, and enjoyable. Being cognizant of these requirements, and as the leading player in the Indian EV segment, we are proud to introduce today the Nexon EV Max. Nexon EV Max will offer customers the freedom to undertake regular and uninterrupted long-distance travel, and its host of comfort and convenience features will make these trips pleasant and memorable. Nexon EV Max offers significantly enhanced range, safety, performance, and luxury to give a truly max experience for our customers. Let's take a closer look at these features. The Nexon EV Max will feature a battery pack that is over 30% larger, which aids in enhanced driving range, unlocking the freedom to travel farther on a single charge. This opens out many new possibilities and enhances the versatility of the Nexon EV multifold. Additionally, the Nexon EV Max features multi-mode regeneration, providing customers the choice to set the regeneration mode as per their driving style and situation. Nexon EV Max will be powered by a 105 kW permanent magnet synchronous motor, delivering a torque of 250 Newton meters with an impressive acceleration of 0 to 100 km per hour in under 9 seconds. As safety has always been an important pillar for us, with the Nexon EV Max, we are taking it to the max with standard features such as electronic stability program with IV back, hill hold, hill descent control, electronic parking brake with auto vehicle hold, all 4 disc brakes. The battery pack and motor of Nexon EV Max come with IP67 rating and with liquid cooled thermal management system, ensuring efficient operations across all weather conditions. With the Nexon EV Max, we continue our promise of reliability by offering 8 years or 160,000 km battery and motor warranty. Nexon EV Max offers a multitude of luxury and convenience features. An all-new Macrana beige interiors, leatherette ventilated seats for front passengers, a jeweled control knob with active mode display, an air purifier, wireless smartphone charging, auto-dimming IRVM, smart watch integration, and cruise control. In total, the Nexon EV Max offers over 30 new features. Let me now invite Anand to give more details about Nexon EV Max.
Thank you, Vivek. With Nexon EV Max, we are adding yet another product offering to our state-of-the-art, high-voltage EV architecture Ziptron, designed for unique driving and weather conditions. Nexon EV Max is powered by a 40.5 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, delivering an anxiety-free ARAI certified range of 437 kilometers under standard testing conditions. With efficient EV packaging in the Nexon EV Max, we have achieved 33% higher battery capacity while maintaining 50-50 weight distribution and a low center of gravity, which aids vehicle dynamics. It also retains the efficient liquid-cooled power electronics for extracting maximum onboard power. Nexon EV Max is powered by 105 kilowatt or 143 PS permanent magnet synchronous AC motor that balances performance and efficiency. It delivers an instant torque of 250 Nm available at the push of a pedal, resulting in a 0 to 100 sprint time in under 9 seconds. Moreover, the top speed now has been increased and is electronically limited to 140 km an hour. With the Nexon EV Max, we are introducing multi-mode regeneration feature, which will help customers to easily adjust the levels of regenerative braking through switches on the floor console. Customers can choose between 4 regen levels based on the driving conditions. Level 0 for nil recuperative braking, going up to the highest level 3, aiding single pedal driving. We've also added an intuitive feature, auto brake lamps, which gets activated once a certain level of regen has been achieved and which will help to warn the following traffic. With Nexon EV Max, we've already taken safety to the next level with a host of enhanced safety features offered as standard, which includes an ESP with IV back, an intelligent vacuumless boost and active control device. It's an integrated device that substitutes the conventional brake booster components and the ESP system. This benefits in an improved vehicle brake dynamics, leading to reduced stopping distances, and provides consistent pedal feel and zero pedal vibrations even during ABS interventions. It also has a positive environmental impact, reducing the carbon dioxide emissions vis-a-vis conventional vacuum booster, and therefore it also aids in maximizing vehicle regeneration. ESP functionalities such as hill hold, hill descent, rollover mitigation, brake disc wiping, hydraulic fade compensation come as standard across variants on Nexon EV Max. Nexon EV Max is equipped with all 4 disc brakes and electronic parking brake with auto hold functionality, which not only adds to safety but also enhances driver convenience by reducing fatigue in the city stop-go traffic. On the charging front, the Nexon EV Max comes with an additional 7.2 kilowatt AC fast charger that can either be installed at home or at the workplace. This helps in reducing regular charging times to 6.5 hours. The AC fast charger will be available as standard only on specific trims. Nexon EV Max can also be fast charged from 0 to 80% in 56 minutes from any 50 kilowatt DC fast charger. The promise of reliability and durability of a Ziptron architecture continues on the Nexon EV Max, with its battery and motor pack being rated IP67 for a weatherproof and worry-proof performance. The battery and motor warranty of the Nexon EV Max is 8 years or 160,000 kilometers, offering complete peace of mind. We've worked on improving the technology as well within the car. The use of a 3-in-1 combo box enables us to achieve better energy utilization, packaging space, and safety along with weight reductions. Despite the increase in the battery size of the Nexon EV Max, through efficient packaging, we have retained the full boot capacity of 350 liters. Now that we know all about the technical attributes on the Nexon EV Max, let me invite Vivek to let us know about the trims and color options available for the car. Vivek?
Thank you, Anand. The Nexon EV Max will be available in 2 trims with 2 charging options, which are as follows: the Nexon EV Max XZ Plus and the Nexon EV Max XZ Plus Lux, with the options of a 3.3 kilowatt charger or a 7.2 kilowatt AC fast charger. Also, we have a new exciting signature color called the Intensity Teal, exclusive to the Nexon EV Max. The other color options are Daytona Grey and Pristine White. The dual tone comes standard with the Nexon EV Max. It is time to move to the Max.
Nexon EV Max moves you to the max.
Let's now have a look at the prices.